What's up, everybody? I got a call from a client here the other day, and they said their shower head had sprung a leak. I went ahead and grabbed one that I like. This is actually a Niagara. I can put this down in the description on what it is. This one I prefer because it actually still has a plated brass base on it. Most of the ones you can pick up in your big box stores are plastic, and they tend to crack even more. These are about 20 bucks. So anyway, let's go to work. That was fantastic. Okay, that pretty well wraps that one up. Hope somebody found this useful. If you've got any questions, please put it down in the comments. I'll do the best I can to answer them as quickly as possible. If you want numbers to the parts, I will put it down in the description. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that stuff. Until next time, think outside the box, do something cool. Have a great day.